Focus. So today we're taking Lucille to Hyundai of El Paso today. But what I really want to do is I want to take it to AutoZone, which is kind of en route, to have it be scanned, because I'm curious what's making the engine do what it's doing, where that the check engine light is flashing, and on top of that I'm losing power. I'm just curious why that is. The hotel breakfast to go, the breakfast of champions. So yeah, we're gonna take Lucille to the dealer. So they're not gonna do anything to her today, not till Monday, and that's fine because we are going to check out of the hotel today. So there is no reason to have the car just sitting there, and I don't have the time to deal with it next week. So we're gonna bring it over there. Hopefully it makes it over there, and then they're going to start to look at it. But I really want to stop by AutoZone to have the code read. I'm curious what the code is gonna be, or what's doing that. Like, you know, what would make a car's check engine light flash. So supposedly when that happens, at least for the Hyundai Veloster, when your check engine light, the guy with the weed eater, why is he using a weed eater over rocks? I mean, because I'm walking on rocks and he has a weed eater. Look like is he trimming? I don't know. Anyway, but so the goal is to try to find out what's causing that, because supposedly when the check engine light flashes, at least for the Hyundai Veloster, it means that the vehicle is now in limp mode and the engine is trying to save itself, so it reduces the amount of power that you get. So supposedly that's what happens. So but yeah, so here she is, and I'm gonna crank her up and we're gonna drive to AutoZone. AutoZone should be open. It's 8, and if it's not, then I'm gonna take it straight to the dealer and they'll tell me what's wrong with it. Oh man, it feels funny being in here. So first start since March the 7th. That's what, 12. It's like 13 days. So yeah, it is still messed up. See, it's flashing. So yeah, that's the problem. So let's go ahead and hope that we make it to Hyundai of El Paso. It's right there. So yeah guys, so I will keep you posted on that. Time to get her fixed. Now for the record, I'm feeling hopeful because there is no knock sound. So the knock is what you don't want. So it seems to be some kind of a massive misfire. Now the check engine light is constant, but every once in a while it will blink. So yeah, so supposedly that's what the Hyundai Veloster limp mode is, which like, you know, once the engine has a serious problem, the check engine flashes. I think that the IS300 has that too, I think. So I'm sitting over at Hyundai of El Paso. I am waiting for my Uber. Should be here in about 10 minutes. So look like, just as I thought, the engine is misfiring from all 4 cylinders. Not good. And also there may be some fuel flooding going on, which would mean, to me at least, probably something with the fuel injector, something like that. It's not good. But we should need, as far as I know, we should need a new engine. I think that it just a lot of parts probably have to come out and new parts going in, but it is what it is. I just hope it's not an arm and a leg. But other than that, that problem is being taken care of, so that's good. And yeah, it's a matter of, I think they're probably gonna look at it next week, and then yeah, we'll see. So all right, that's the update. We're here at Hyundai of El Paso. This is the same place I purchased Lucille back in 2014. So yeah, got the fire department driving by me with the big fire truck. So yeah, so I'm waiting for a red Toyota Corolla. That's my Uber, and yeah, we'll see. Can't believe, like, back in 2014 Lucille was out there on the line, and I was like, let me test drive this manual Veloster. Then after I've tried to drive it, or drive her, and I failed miserably at shifting gears, today here we are. Oh well.